Garden trends. How to build a smart and aesthetic vegetable garden at home. In 2025, home gardening is no longer just a hobby. It's a statement of sustainability, self-reliance, and style. As more people move towards eco-conscious living and working remotely continues to redefine lifestyle spaces, gardens are being reinvented. This year, the smart vegetable garden is at the intersection of tech, design, and wellness. You don't need acres of land or a traditional backyard to join the green revolution. With vertical farming, edible decor, and climate-adapted planting, even a balcony can become a lush, productive microfarm. Let's start with vertical gardening, one of the most practical and visually striking methods for small spaces. From wall-mounted planters to tiered structures, vertical gardens make the most of height rather than square footage. In urban apartments or tiny patios, stacking vegetables like lettuce, kale, strawberries, and cherry tomatoes turns blank walls into living art. Using recycled materials such as pallets or modular hydroponic kits, 2025's gardens can be both sustainable and stylish. With smart irrigation timers and solar-powered lights, even novice gardeners can automate care routines. This setup not only maximizes yield, but also serves as a stunning visual centerpiece. Next, the idea of edible aesthetics is making waves. Plants that serve both as food and design elements. Think purple basil, rainbow chard, tricolor sage, and nasturtiums. These are not just rich in flavor, but also eye-catching. They're ideal for container gardening on windowsills or balconies, where beauty and utility must coexist. Incorporating these plants into garden layouts turns vegetable plots into living palettes with color schemes inspired by modern interiors like sage green, terracotta, and deep burgundy. Your vegetable garden can complement your home decor. This design-first approach is key for 2025, where social media sharing is part of the gardening ritual. A growing concern this year is climate resilience, and gardeners are shifting to native and drought-tolerant crops. Plants like amaranth, okra, sweet potatoes, and eggplants are not only heat-hardy, but nutrient-rich. Microclimate mapping apps now help home growers determine what crops will thrive best in their exact conditions, factoring in sun exposure, humidity, and soil type. Companion planting is finally. 2025's garden isn't complete without tech-integrated mindfulness spaces. These are areas designed not just for productivity, but for emotional well-being. Raised beds with ergonomic height for easier access, solar-powered water features for ambient sound, and low-maintenance moss or herb borders create relaxing, sensory-friendly zones. Integrated sensors can alert users via smartphone when a plant needs watering or is facing a pest issue. LED grow lights and digital temperature monitors extend growing seasons, making gardening more accessible year-round. The combination of productivity and peace turns a vegetable garden into a personal retreat, especially powerful for those balancing remote work and mental wellness.